Foggy headlights can cut your visibility by 80%. That's dangerous. Dealerships charge up to $1,000 for replacements you don't need. Today, I'm exposing 12 headlight restoration tricks, worst to best. And the number 1 method costs under $3 and works in seconds. Let's begin. 12. View D40 Illusion D40 looks like magic, but it's actually a scam. It doesn't fix anything. It just fills tiny cracks with oil, makes light pass temporarily, then attracts dirt like a magnet within days. Your headlights look worse. This is literally what used car sellers use to fake clean headlights. It's not a fix, it's a disguise. Now think, if oil can fake clarity temporarily, what happens when you use actual food oils? 11. Cooking oil. Avocado hackies. People are rubbing food on headlights. Olive oil. Avocado. Sounds natural, right? Wrong. Heat plus sunlight. Oil goes rancid, leaves sticky yellow layer, permanently stains plastic. You're not fixing headlights. You're cooking them. Ask yourself, if natural solutions fail this badly, what about chemical hacks like soda? How many of these hacks have you already tried? Be honest. And if you want to avoid expensive mistakes, hit like and subscribe now, because the next tricks get way more dangerous. Number 10. Coke plus baking soda. This one looks dramatic. Foaming. Fizzing. Feels like it's working. But reality? Barely improves clarity, only removes surface dirt, does nothing to oxidation because oxidation is not dirt. It's damaged plastic, so think, if weak chemicals don't work, what about strong ones like alcohol? 9. Hand sanitizer disaster. This one is seriously dangerous. Alcohol strips protective layer, dries out plastic, causes micro cracks, called crazing. And once that happens, it's irreversible. You need full replacement all for a 60-second hack. Now ask yourself, if cheap DIY chemicals destroy headlights, should you trust store-bought kits? At this point, you've already avoided some serious damage, but trust me, the worst mistake is still coming. Subscribe right now, because the top 5 methods actually work. 8. Commercial kit trap. These kits look professional, but here's the truth. They remove oxidation, but don't protect the plastic so after a few months, fog comes back. You buy another kit. It's a cycle, not a solution. Now think. If sanding works but doesn't last, is there a simple tool that works better? 7. Magic eraser. This one actually works, but only slightly. Great for light haze, useless for heavy oxidation. It's basically soft sandpaper, good for maintenance, not repair. Ask yourself, if soft abrasion works a little, what happens when you go aggressive? 6. Steel wool big mistake. Yes, it removes yellowing, but leaves deep scratches, scatters light everywhere, reduces visibility at night. You'll actually see worse after using it. Now think, if scratching is bad, what about acid-based solutions? We're halfway through, and now we enter the methods that actually start working. If you've stayed this long, drop a doe in comments and hit like, because the next ones can save you money. 5. Lemon plus salt. This one is powerful. Acid plus abrasion removes oxidation fast, but what leaves plastic unprotected? Oxidation returns quickly. It works, but doesn't last. So ask yourself, if cleaning works but fades, what if we use something gentler? Number 4. Toothpaste method. Now we're getting somewhere. Mild abrasive, safe on plastic, actually improves clarity results. Cheap, effective, easy, but still temporary, no protection. Now think, if this works. What about instant miracle sprays? Number 3. Bug spray. Trap. This one looks insane. Spray, wipe, crystal clear. But here's the truth. It melts plastic, destroys UV layer, causes faster damage later. It's not cleaning, it's chemical damage. Ask yourself, if chemicals can melt plastic, what do professionals actually use? You've made it this far, which means you're serious about fixing this properly. Subscribe now, because the top 2 methods are what professionals actually use. 2. Professional clear coat, 2K. This is the missing step. Every method fails without UV Protection K Clear Coat. Seals plastic, blocks UV damage, lasts years. Without it, everything fades again. Now think, if protection is the key, what's the cheapest way to combine cleaning plus protection? You won. Toothpaste plus wax. Best method. This is the hidden gem. Step 1. Clean with toothpaste. Step 2. Apply Carnauba wax. Step 3. Apply second layer. Result? Clear headlights, UV protection, long-lasting finish cheap. Simple, effective. Now think about this. If a $3 method can restore your headlights, how many other expensive problems in your car are actually simple fixes? If this helped you, hit like, subscribe for more real car hacks because small fixes like this can save you thousands, and trust me, the next video will blow your mind even more. I'll see you there.